Hello everyone. Okay. Again in this lecture we will solve the some problems which is related with your amplitude modulation. Okay. Last 7 problems are remaining. So you have to solve this 7 problem. So here we have complete the problems related with your amplitude modulation. So 31 number of problems. See, in this 31 number of problem you have to calculate the modulation index percentage modulation. In 32 number of problem you have to calculate the upper sideband frequency and lower sideband frequency. Okay, in 33 number of problem you have to calculate the modulation index and percentage. In 34 number of problem you have to calculate the efficiency, total power, sideband power and power of USB and power of LSB. Next 35 number of problem. In this 35 number of problem you have to calculate the sideband power, total sideband power, okay, total power and efficiency. In 36 number of problem you have to calculate the carrier power, and last one 37th number of problem. In this 37th of problem you have to calculate the modulation index, sideband frequency, amplitude of sideband, bandwidth, total power and power saved if one of the sideband which is suppressed. For this the equation which is given, that is the formula which is given, m square ec square divided by 8r. So all of you solve these 1 to 37 problems. Okay, if you solve this 37 problem then you can solve any problems which is asked in the exam. So you have to solve all these problems carefully, and if you have any doubts then ask me. Okay, thank you. Here we have completed the problems related with your amplitude modulation. Okay, so thank you. In next lecture we will see the next pointer. Okay, thank you.